Alright guys, today we're going to be doing an unboxing, see if this angle works. And it is of my new phone. That's right. And guess what? No more iPhone. Yes! Oh! I'm so excited. I ordered a Motorola G7 Power. The case will be getting here in a couple days. I ordered an OtterBox case for it, and some screen protectors. I was gonna go with the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge that was used. Problem is that the Samsung phones have a defect in the screen. Well anyways, I'm sure you wanna see this thing just as much as I do. So let's open it. Covered our address. You guys are getting a sideways angle. So let's see. Just got this from UPS today. I ordered it about 2 days ago. So. Uh-oh. Oh, I'm gonna have to cover that if I got it. This is a slip from Motorola. Alright, that's handy to have. You guys can't see it. Alright, here it is. My new phone. Oh, it's in a smaller box. There it is. My new handset. Let's take a look. Believe it or not, this is actually the very first phone. I've had multiple phones. This is the very first phone I've ever bought that was new, and the only reason I bought it was new is because it's cheap. I'm trying to... Alright. Oh, there's a little... Let's see if I can do that with my finger.
There we go. Hopefully the box will stay intact. This phone has a little seal that we gotta take off. Oh, I think I got it. Or not. Let me use my key.
There it is. Here we are. Oh my gosh, there it is. Oh, there it is. It's big. It's really big. And I like that because I have like really fat fingers. I'm going to keep all this stuff. So there's the new phone. So let's see. And there we have the charger. And the charge cord, which, yay, I no longer have to use an iPhone charger. Let's see what's in this little doohickey. This is handy to have. They give you a SIM card thing. And instruction manuals. It says read me, but I've used Android, so I don't need that. Let's power it on. Might need to be charged. Alright. So I believe the power button is here. Here we go. I'm holding it. Oh, bright. The vibrator is very soft. My one thing I didn't like about this phone, it has pretty much no bezels, and I kind of wanted something with buttons. That's why I was looking at the Galaxy S7, but I'll get used to it. Okay, I've never had a Motorola phone. Let's set it up. Start. Connect to mobile network. Alright, I'm going to have to put my SIM card in. So we'll come back to you guys in a little bit once it's all set up. I'm not going to show this part. So here is the phone. As you can see, comes on. I will... Let's see, how do you unlock it? You press that. So I'll swipe up to unlock. And there we have it. This is the new Motorola cell phone. There you go. I'm going to have to change some settings. So yeah. This is my new phone. We'll have an OtterBox here in a few days. And just like that, my case came in the mail. I got an OtterBox for it. Nice. And a screen protector, if you can see, is on there. So yeah, I'm going to have to blur this. There's my new phone. Right there. My new Moto G7 Power in the nice blue case. So that's it. This is June 17th, and I got the phone on June 10th, so yeah.